Hey guys, so today I'm here with Chloe. Chloe, say hi. Chloe changed her outfit once again.
Yes, but
Oh, she cut out.
gave some stuff off.
Chloe, you cut out really bad.
In return, I gave stuff to Haley and Adopt Me in return.
Yup.
Yes, I did give her a mouse to make a mega mouse.
But
So, isn't it a win?
I also gave her stuff. Anyways.
Yeah. Well, we're both happy.
Okay, so Chloe said this game actually looks scary, so I'm kind of scared. She said
No,
it.
what is true?
It does kind of look scary. Ew. Ew, why are you not with me? Ew, why are you not with me?
What is this?
Chloe, why do you look like that?
Why do you look like that? Why?
I'm beautiful, bro. Okay,
I don't
so
like that as a spring.
we gotta come over here.
Open the bar door.
Chloe, stop.
Not me. Welcome to your ship. Can I read it? Can I read it?
Sure.
Welcome to your bartender. Do the door excessively. Do not open the door excessively. Do not leave the door open no matter what inside. Certain customers cannot be served. Close the counters immediately. If the doctor arrives without hands, serve them and take the suitcase she hands you. Do not open it under any circumstances. Remain calm and try not to anger the observer. Keep insects away by using the light button.
Okay, so this is kind of like scary shawarma.
I am a bartender with a lot of cookies.
So this is like scary shawarma.
I know, right?
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh.
I'll go get him the cookie.
I'll get him the coffee.
I don't know how to get the cookie.
Bro.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm gonna fix it from
here. It
here.
said don't open the door. It said don't open it under any circumstances.
Womp womp.
That scared me. I can't get the cookie out.
What do you mean?
I can't open the cookies. Like the cookies are like being a little booky. Oh, that's because you have to make this coffee. What if he wants milk in it?
Womp womp.
Let me get a cookie. Let me get you your cookie.
Give him his cookie, Chloe.
There you go. Go. Why is there a puppet just like dancing?
Oh, there's cameras.
I'm not understanding the mascot for us. Why is he still standing here? Who is he?
He's a bartender. He's helping us.
He's smiling with a bunch of wrinkles on his under eyes. Whenever I look at him closely, it looks like he's kind of fat. Oh, he actually is.
Chloe, make sure to check the cameras, and make the puppet go down.
What puppet? This puppet?
No, look at the cameras.
What puppet?
You don't see it?
Oh my god. Let's see it. Do I wind it up?
Yeah, wind it.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit.
Okay.
What if I just sit?
I feel like I got on the wrong train. Or maybe not. It's not that easy to get in here. Could I get a cocktail and some
Sam.
cookies? I'm a bit hungry. Okay.
I'll be the security camera. Sam. Keep going out. I dare you. Sit down. Sit down.
Can we get a glass?
Is it kind of stupid that I'm spamming the button?
No, it's not. Good job, Chloe. This dude better be drunk.
Spamming the button.
He's finna be drunk.
Dang.
Then we're gonna make the drink.
I think I just killed the puppet.
Huh?
I literally just killed the puppet. It won't go back up. Isn't that good for us?
I don't know.
Or you got wine and a cookie? Who gets wine and a cookie?
This
I
guy.
literally broke the doll.
Thanks. It looks appetizing.
I literally... Well, that's something easier for us. I just broke the doll.
Dang.
I'm just gonna keep watching it just in case.
Yeah.
What if it's already out?
Why would you say that, bro? You're scary.
Did something just whisper in my ear? Can you
What was that?
Why does it keep saying kill the puppet?
What do you mean?
Okay, so I just realized something. I pressed the button so much that it thinks I'm still pressing it, so it won't open anymore.
Yes.
So now it keeps saying kill the puppet on my screen, so it's opening and closing at the same
I
time.
clean up all the trash after your shift. Next time, try not to spill anything there.
It'll
Why
be
does she
hard,
sound like
but
that?
I'll try.
Please
First of all,
give
who
me
the
some
freak was that?
coffee. I still have so much to clean up.
Is that the
Of course.
janitor?
Yo,
I thought that
Chloe, go on. Okay, press the cameras. Go to him and go on night vision.
Go to him, go on, mate. This big back. Literally queso. It's literally John Cena, but in the fat version.
Huh? Chloe, look
Haley,
out.
something went inside our building.
Look in the window.
Haley, something's inside.
So, in the,
Haley, something's literally inside.
come on, Chloe, come on, let's go.
You got me messed up, girl. You think I'm going out there?
Girl, you're gonna hold my freaking hand. I'm scared.
Bro, I literally saw on night vision there was footprints. They're literally inside.
I don't wanna look back.
Well, you better not have snuck around the corner, or you're paying extra. Right. Girl, you're fine.
Chloe closed it on him. He's fat. We
I'm not
don't
closing it on him. I'm checking on the puppet.
tolerate fat
After
people.
I finish my shift, I will finish your miserable life.
Aw?
Excuse me? That's him talking, by the way.
So he just basically said he's gonna kill us.
So, okay, so he just threatened me that he's gonna kill me because of over a wine and cookie. So, he's fat.
No
He's really
dirt.
fat for doing that. And also, the whole time those footprints, that was his footprints. We're good. Trust me.
Big back, big back.
And we're gonna be good for a long time since this wine puppet will not
dang.
move. and it's still saying kill the puppet because I keep spamming it.
I
I'm not
feel
even
quite
spamming it.
depressed. Why?
Did you say that I'm feeling quite
My
depressed?
ancestors would have cursed me. You wouldn't understand. Give me a cocktail and water.
Is that a person?
Yeah.
That is literally a Ninja Turtle.
What do
Asian
you
form.
mean,
I'm sorry,
John?
but that's literally a Ninja Turtle in Asian form.
Chloe, you're mean. You're being racist.
I'm sorry, but why does he sound like that?
Yeah, why is his voice so deep though?
It's deeper than Cooper's, bro.
Oh,
Tell me why. There is a reason why our electricity is going out.
cause this freaking naked dude is walking around our thing.
There's a naked dude walking around our
Yes.
Actually, where?
You haven't seen him out the window crawling on the ceiling?
No, I don't see him crawling. The freak?
It's because you were watching the dang camera.
Well, no, I'm not gonna look at somebody that's crawling on the ceiling. You think that's my job?
Well, it's not mine either.
Excuse me? Was that you pouring some juice or something? Because that scared them. Also, our lights keep turning off because look how dusty and crusty our lights are.
Bro, I literally gave this freaking rat. Okay.
How come he wants wine and water? What are you gonna do? He's trying to become Jesus. Why do you look like that? Your nose looks like a carrot. What the freak was that? The puppet's still not out. Why is the window broken?
Cause the naked dude.
Why is the naked dude doing?
Is it always this dark here?
Yeah, it always
Kinda
is.
creepy.
I
The
know,
light
right?
bulb's working funny lately, I guess.
Do you have
Yeah,
an
'cause our-
orange juice? My boy wants something sugary.
We
That
want
would be
orange juice.
$10.
Are you watching the thing now?
What the frick? Did you just hear him?
Look at that. Is that a spider?
Where?
Do you not see that on camera 3? Bro, camera 3, there was literally a naked man crawling across our train.
I told you.
That was.
My dog just
And he
scared
was
me.
not fat either. He wasn't fat either, though.
Chloe, should we serve this person?
He was like. She said that her boy wants something like orange juice. He's sugary.
Should we serve
Do we
him?
even have orange juice? What do you think? For the last time, can it stop showing me?
What is that? Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me.
Boy.
I'm not going out there. Come on, Chloe. Come on, hold my hand. Oh my god. Come on.
I'm not holding your hands. I'm going to heaven myself. Goodbye. Oh, I'm not going out there. Point blank, period.
Come on.
I'm gonna die out there if I go out there. I'm not going out
Chloe,
there.
I've gone out there two times. So you're coming with me, okay?
Can you do it through the wall?
No.
Can somebody throw it through the wall?
Chloe, hold my freaking hand right now.
Oh my god. I'm freaking scared. Change off.
How it feels going first in a horror game.
Come on, let's go. We're good. I swear, if I see you climbed over the counter, I'm gonna get you. Right.
Bro, my heart is still beating from that, bro. Chloe, is she safe?
Yeah, she's fine.
Okay, then serve her.
Hold on, let her. Oh, you ran. Gunning?
Holy cutout.
Why did I give this girl juice for the last time?
Huh?
What the fuck is annoying?
That was me pouring the juice, you dummy.
Okay, I didn't know.
Serve this lady now.
Not that. You served the lady, the freak.
I'm scared.
Thanks, sweetheart.
Why are you scared to not want
Sweetheart.
orange juice?
Yeah,
Excuse me, that's a little weird much.
I'm not your sweetheart.
Can I get some of that orange juice? Stop telling me I want to kill the puppet.
Close
Who
my-
just said that? What just happened?
Oh, Chloe, you have to go to sleep. Come on.
I don't want to go out there.
Bruh, I'd rather sleep in here.
For real. That girl just pretty hard. What's she doing in my bedroom? You got me messed up. You can't go in my room.
Why did I not flinch from that? I'm sorry.
No. Yeah.
No, Chloe, my camera's on too. You could see that. I did not flinch. So what if I don't want to, though?
Just bro. Give my camera. Hey, did I get my paycheck yet? I should really close this door.
I don't get paid enough for this.
You think I do? The puppet still thinks that we're playing. Why would you close the door on me? I'm gonna check if the puppet's still doing what it's doing. And it's still doing what it's doing.
That's good.
Oh,
Hello, sir.
miserable,
okay,
son.
Thanos.
You wouldn't have that face of yours in the barracks.
Shut up.
All
Did
right.
you just call me miserable? At least I'm not
Eddie,
wearing
son.
a blue cap with my
Pour me
police
some water,
officer
and
suit.
as quickly
that's
as you
green.
can.
1 minute.
Can you blow it as slow as you can? 10 minutes. I already hate this dude just by how he's looking at me. Lincoln is
So I know you heard that
What
knocking.
that? me too. You got me messed up. Is he safe?
Yeah. It's just annoying.
All I'm about to say is that knocking was a really suspicious. Bro, that thing's always scared. What the freak was that?
What?
This Muppet keeps thinking that we're still playing. I ain't playing with you.
Good job, son. Keep it up, and you'll be faster than the cook in our unit.
Shut up. Okay, just walk away, please. Thank you.
He's moving fast here. Dog. What the? And Haley.
You know what, guys? We're gonna go because I'm finna crash out on this game. But I mean, I know this video low-key sucked, but hope y'all enjoyed it. Goodbye.
I work here as a waiter.
Bye,
I
guys.
barely walk, but it still hurts to be